my loves, happy Monday. I hope you're all having a great day and a great start to the week. So we're kicking off this video with a hair tutorial. You'll have seen from my latest hair video that I put in tape extensions by myself, and so I want to say I've done a pretty good job. That video will of course be up before this video, so I will link it on the screen or it will be down in the below bar for you guys to go and check that out. So I thought the only way to follow up with kind of the tape hair extension video was how I curled it, because curling my hair would be something that I would do daily. It is of course my favourite. For that I did use the Beauty Works Molly May curling kit. I will link Beauty Works down below. I'm not sure if the Molly May kit is still available, but they do have the standard curling tongue, which is exactly the same as far as I'm aware. But yeah, it went really, really well. It is stunning, as you can see. But yeah, if you want to see how I created these big bouncy waves, then keep watching.
Okay, curling our hair. So I've brushed it through, because you want to make sure obviously it's as smooth as it can be. For that I'm using my new favourite brush, which is the Tangle Angel. It's this one right here, the one with the wings on. I absolutely love this, and it comes with the handle. It's love heart shaped. I got this from TK Maxx for £5. It's by Richard Wood, the celebrity hairstylist. The thing I love about it is a wet brush, a wide. It's a wet brush, a dry brush, and it's also extension safe. So if you're like me and have extensions, you need a brush that obviously isn't going to damage the hair, and I have been using this every day from Friday and I absolutely love it. The other brush that I do swear by is the Beauty Works Molly May brush also. You guys see, I love it. Again, it's because it has nice fine bristles so it doesn't damage the hair. I'm actually going to move my seat back. So what I'm going to do is pop in some heat protectant. I don't like to spray on heat protectant, I spray my hands. And I'm just using the Tresemme Battles Heat Voluminous Shine Hair Protection Mist. It's for the coloured hair one. Just run a little bit of that through the hair. Making sure you do use a heat protectant, because obviously you're using a heat tool on the hair, so it is going to burn the hair, and if you want burnt hair, well, that's good for you. Also, I'm on the hunt for a new one of these, maybe a better one, or that you prefer. Let me know in the comments if you can, one that you guys like. Yeah, I'm going to go and section my hair off. Once that is sectioned off, like so, the wand I'm going to be using today is the Beauty Works Molly May wand. It is just this one right here. Currently sat at 200 degrees, and I love it because it's baby pink, and also that the wand is very long. If like me you have long hair, this is gonna do you well. I like my curls away from the face, so your arm should be behind the head, and I like to leave about 1 inch from the bottom. I've had this wand 7 months, and I haven't really liked it up until now, but I think it's because maybe the hair that I had before in my hair extensions didn't take to it very well. I'm not sure, but I am going to try it again. I just find that my Mark Hill one is amazing. Just catch it then in your hand and hold it there just for a couple of seconds. Sorry, wee woman. You're catching me too. And then you want to let it drop. Okay. Okay, so I think, judging by that, it takes better when you have a thicker, maybe chunk of hair. We'll try that on the next one. Battery's on 20%. Please don't die. Just brush that through. Just split that in half. And again, go around the back of the head. And just leaving the end inch out. Hold it again. And then what I am going to do, I'm going to get that one back up into a little ring. So I'm not going to pin it to my head, but I'm just going to take one of the Molly May Beauty Works little clips. This came with the curl kit, and I'm just going to just put that through the middle like that. And then I'm just going to continue the same process all around my head. Also, I'm not entirely sure if this is still available, this Molly May kit. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if it was limited edition. I'm not 100% sure. I will link Beauty Works website down below. I know she has come out with the mermaid waver. I'm not, so I don't know if this is still available, but you can get the normal wand from Beauty Works, which is gold. So I presume it's the same thing. So as I said, I will leave Beauty Works down below and you can go and check it out. But for now, I'm going to play some music. I'm just going to do this for the rest of my head. Every single year, yeah, never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. I could be your best friend, but I can't pick up my phone. Now we're at the front of the face. So here's my, I'm gonna say fringe because it's too long to be a fringe, but I like to take it back like so, and then so you can see obviously where I've taken it, just like so. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. That's cool. Good. And then what I might do is get it here, like so. Top of my head, take the clip and just pin it as you would a pin curl. Okay, on the other piece of hair, that direction. See, perfect curl. I'm gonna wrap that like you would a pin curl, taking the little clip. And just curl around the back. I like to have a mirror so that I can see, you know, how far we're curling. And I like to take the real curls all the way to the end of the barrel. Okay, so I've been and gone ahead and removed the clips, and then just gently going through with my fingers, because I don't really want to disturb the curls. I like them quite curly. I think you get longer from them. Also, or you can go ahead and use the brush just really gently. Don't go brushing your hair. Don't go breaking my heart. So. Pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of hairspray. I like, any hairspray will do. I like anything like fine mist, light hold, nothing nuts. And that, guys, if I move back, is the finished look. Beautiful. I feel like a Victoria's Secret model. Also, if you want to hold kind of anything into place that, you know, hasn't stuck down properly or anything, these clips here are amazing to do that. They are the non-dent kind of clips. You can buy these on Amazon, you can buy them on eBay, you can buy them.
Yeah, so what I was trying to say is you can get the non-dent clips from Amazon, Primark, eBay, wherever, to be honest, and they help just kind of train the hair to sit. So people keep them here, people keep them, you know, here. It's entirely up to you, and they're really inexpensive as well. But I just wanted to give you a final look of the hair, like, stunning. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Hopefully this lasts now like a good few days. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up for more hair tutorials, and also subscribe if you already haven't. Instagram will link down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one.